Art has been a part of our culture for centuries. It is a way to express our emotions. It's a way of life. It has been revolutionized, copied, inspired,
Vincent van Gogh killed himself.
How does a man go from calm to suicide?
and even digitalized. It is something you have been doing since you were a child, just for fun. It is a skill by which you can impress anyone around you. Hi, I am Pushkar and I'm here to help you to make you a better artist in a very affordable way. And I can help you to build this skill to another level. Make art that can inspire everyone. It's easy, it's fun. Take your brushes and take your pencils and let's get right into it. Join me in this art journey and be the artist you always wanted to be. Are you excited? Follow me on social media. Links are down in the description. And visit my website, pushkartheartist.com.